really want to warmly welcome home Jerome and Marlon, and to just say to you that I am so proud of you and your performance that words can't express the way I feel. You made us very, very proud as West Indians. It's a moment to savor for years to come because West Indies cricket means so much to us as peoples of the Caribbean. It unites us and it gives us a great feeling of achievement when we do well.
I just want to say thanks to to everyone who came out today. I feel really, really good. More like special.
The victory, we know what it means to the entire Caribbean to win cricket, to win tournament. And we did it not for ourselves, but for the entire Caribbean.
Being the top rank of the marketing team for West Indies, the guys were really, really under the pump, wanting to go out and do well. The feeling is prestigious, I must say.
We must continue to give our cricketers the support. I hope to see great things happening through the JCA for the cricketers who shone and who made it possible. And to say to all of you, West Indies cricket is back.
Champion.